Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook good chicken breast. Start with dry chicken breasts, as moisture prevents a good sear. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love. For even cooking, pound the thicker parts of the breast to about 1 inch in thickness. This simple preparation ensures every bite is perfectly cooked and flavorful, avoiding dry spots and undercooked areas. For a delicious crust, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown. The key is to achieve an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This method locks in juices and creates incredible flavor. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the heat and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Tenting it loosely with foil helps retain warmth while allowing the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. This crucial step ensures your chicken remains incredibly juicy. Finally, slice against the grain for the most tender texture. Remember, avoid overcrowding your pan. Cook in batches if needed to maintain consistent heat. The biggest mistake is overcooking, which leads to dry, tough chicken. Always aim for that 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Don't be afraid to experiment with various seasonings and marinades to discover your favorite flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.